This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, my dear friends. Welcome to Attari Classes. Today, I'm here to discuss one important topic, how to close AWS account. Remember, my dear friends, whenever you create an AWS account, it by default become a free tier account, which is valid for 12 months from the date of activation. What is the meaning of 12 months from the date of activation? Your free tier account is valid. It means that consider in AWS free tier account, you can create a server that is known as EC2, 1 CPU, 1 GB RAM. You can use for free for 12 months. You can use S3 storage, 5 GB free for 12 months. After your 12 months are completed, your free tier account will be converted into a normal account where whatever was free for 12 months like EC2 service or S3 storage 5 GB, whatever was free, that will also become chargeable. So remember, there are few people who are worrying, after 12 months I will get a charge for my AWS account. No dear, no. After 12 months you will not get any charge for your account. No. If you use any service after 12 months, then you will get the charge. If you are not using any service, don't take tension, you will not get any charge. But few people say, no sir, I don't want to keep the account, I want to close my account. So it's very simple. What it is, you can go over here to your account, click on your account. When you click on your account, the page will load, and when the page will load, it will show you all the settings of your account. Just go down, scroll, and here there is an option, close account. Click on all the options. The last point says that after the closure, using the same email ID, you will not be able to create a new account with the email address which was used to create this account. So it means if you close this account will get closed, but make sure after your account is closed, you will not be able to create the account with the same email ID. You can press the button of close account and your account will be permanently closed. So hopefully everybody is now aware how to close the AWS account. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you.